Hi, it's Anthony from carplaylife.com, and today we're checking out another new case for the iPhone 13 Pro. Looking for a MagSafe case that is super thin, or the thinnest I can get it for the actual iPhone 13 Pro, and I found this one from ProBien. It's relatively cheap. I think I got it for just under £20, and with a voucher I got it down to £16, so you could probably get it for less than around $20 in the US, and I'll link to all of them down below. But let's have a look at this case and what it can do. So it's not silicone, I don't believe. It's a little bit tougher than that, but it's in grey, and should hopefully match the graphite version of the iPhone 13 Pro. So it comes with a little bit of foam, and inside we have the case itself. So here's our MagSafe loop here. It's a nice feeling case. It's definitely not going to take any lint because it's got that kind of a TPU material, very rigid. Got a nice big cutout here for the camera to support any scratches from the camera bump. And we've got some independent switches here, which do feel a little bit cheap and plasticky, but that's what you get when you get quite a cheap case. Velvet, which is probably sandwiching the MagSafe, and obviously we're going to get MagSafe pass through hopefully. So on the bottom here you've got almost like a little bit of material that stops any dirt and grime from getting into the speaker grills, and it's obviously thin enough to allow microphone and the speaker from emitting. And you've got a nice big cutout for the lightning port as well, and then you saw switches on the side and on the other side. Nothing on top, no real branding as such, nothing on the back or on the sides, so that's all good. And we've got our nice big cutout here for the camera bump. So let's get it installed. We'll go in with the top first. That goes in relatively easy, quite too easy actually. Bit of a hole here for the switch, and we've got the volume buttons which are relatively easy to press, and we've got the wake button here, which is again just a pass through. There's a little bit of cutout on the side here. I don't know why they've done that. I'll just get the phone out of the case again. Yeah, so there's like a little bit of a recess on the edge here and on the other buttons as well, probably to make it easier to get it in, but it's a little odd seeing that because you're going to get dust and grime inside that. So I'm not a massive fan of that itself. But on the back we've got the camera bump. It's not going to protrude outside the case, so that's definitely protected. On the outside there is a very small, I'll probably say 1mm small lip on the edge, so when you're placing it down you're not placing it on the glass. And on the bottom you can see the speaker hole grills. That's all in alignment with the big hole for third-party lightning cable, and everything looks pretty sound. It's a shame that there's like a black ridge. That would be nice if that was grey perhaps. Can't see the Apple logo, plastic is too thick. I'm a bit worried that this will come out of the case, but it's not going to do it. But it does feel not as contained in this case, but it's not too bad. It's definitely smooth, good feel to it, and obviously it's cheap than some other cases, and it does the job. And I'll keep this on my phone for a bit and see how well I get on with this case on my iPhone 13 Pro. You can get this case in the space grey, and you can also get it in black if you want to match or just make your phone darker, but obviously I thought grey and the space grey should be a close match, and it's not too bad. It is a bit darker, so maybe black it might be a better colour, but I thought grey might look pretty smart, and it does look pretty smart to me. The black retails for £19.99, and this space grey is £18.99, and there's currently a £2 voucher at this time of recording to get it a lot cheaper, £16.99 in total from Amazon UK. So check out the links below, and I'll try and have a look to see if it's available in the US, and I'll put the links down below as well. Right, let's try MagSafe on the case. That snaps on, MagSafe animation triggers, and it's definitely being passed through. It's quite hard and rigid to take it out, and it's not dangling or going anywhere. It's not falling off the actual MagSafe itself, so pretty confident that that's going to attach itself to many MagSafe accessories as well in the car. And the benefit is it is a thin case. A lot of MagSafe cases are quite thick, especially on the edges, and this definitely is a very thin and lightweight case that has MagSafe built in. Not many thin cases like this has the ability to have MagSafe pass through, so that's why I chose it. Cool, so I think this is a pretty solid case for the iPhone 13 Pro. This is the ProBien magnetic slim case for the iPhone 13 Pro. Ultra thin, it's got a matte surface, not your silicone type that's going to take lint or anything like that in your pocket. It's anti-scratch and dust proof, thanks to its little grills at the bottom here, grill covers. Yeah, overall, for the price, it's not a bad case. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, please leave us a like down below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this particular case from ProBien. You can check out all my other iPhone case reviews up in this playlist here. Hit the subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.